Welcome back. So today we'll be performing task 3, which is scale computing and storage for Azure virtual machines. So let's go to the virtual machines first. So if we click the virtual machines and let's go to the VM0, and under VM0 if you go for the size under settings, click that, and here we have D2S V3. So now let's click the other one, which is DS1 underscore V2. So let me cross check, yeah, and I'm just clicking resize. Done. So once this is done, the next thing is let's go to the, so let's wait for this to happen. So that is the reason usually I keep 2 tabs and parallelly do the process. So if I go back to the disks, however I think it's already done, you can see, yeah. So if I go back to the disks and here there should be, yeah, create and attach a new disk, click that, and let's give the name, this is the name for that, and it is premium SSD. Coming to the size, that would be 1024. Yes, it's done. And so let's save this. So once this is done, let's go back and create another one. So you can create, and let me add that. Okay, and it's this, and let me add the size. Okay, it's done. Let me save this. So once it is done, let's go to the operations section. So it's here, and under this we have to run the command. So click run command, and here you can see we have various options, in which we'll be selecting the first one, which is run PowerShell script. You must start the virtual machine to use this command. Okay, let's go ahead and start them. I thought they were running. They are running. Why is it showing this way? So if I go here again, where is it? Oh, yeah, run command, and yeah, now it's showing me. Okay, so let me copy the command. So basically this creates a Z drive consisting of 2 newly attached disks that we have created recently. So let me add this command, and let me cross check whether I've written properly or not. So I think everything is good. Just click run, and we'll wait for this to be completed. So right now we are performing on VM0, and after that we'll be going to VM1. So meanwhile, let's go to the VM1, and under VM1 let's go to the automation, and let's click export template and click deploy. So here let's edit the template, and let's go to the line 30. So yes, line 30. Okay, there is nothing here. So you can see the VM size in line 33. Let's change it to the standard DS1 V2 that we have did with the VM0. So let me cut this and let me add this. So once this is done, similarly at line 51, so let me go back to 51. It says data disks. So under this, let me add the command. Oh shit. So let me paste okay, copy and let's paste it here. Let me cross check whether run in a proper pane. Yes, but the only thing is in the docs it mentioned different line, but however let's copy this. So that should be fine. Yeah, so we have replaced it and now we can review and create it. So let's save this and everything is done by default, and the only thing that we need to do is review and create. The validation is passed because there is no policy that is restricting. So meanwhile it's creating. So once this is done, we have to run the same command to create the drive Z, which consists of 2 newly created disks. So let me check this. It's completed. So everything is proper. Okay, let's wait for this to be completed and we can run that particular command. So now it has been completed, so we can go back and let's go to the VM1 and here under operations let's click run command and go to the PowerShell and paste the command which is in GitHub and just run it. Once this is done, in the next video we'll be talking about registering the Microsoft Insights and Microsoft Alert Management Resource Providers. So that is what we'll be doing in the next task. So successfully we have implemented the task 3. I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video, and in the next video we'll be talking about Microsoft Insights and Microsoft Alert Management. So if you have liked the video, please click like below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please do in the comment section, and please share the video. Thank you.